I'm Shweta. I work in food tech company. I'm into sales strategy. I wanted to share my experience of buying a mattress. I recently bought two mattresses about 6 to 8 months ago. The ones that we had been using was bought by my dad about 8 to 10 years ago. They were your regular curl-on kind of mattresses. So when I wanted to buy a new mattress, I did a lot of research on the internet. I visited a couple of home decor centers, tried out different mattresses, and essentially it boiled down to two choices: memory foam and latex. At that point in time, what my understanding was that both of these offer good comfort, they offer good back support, they contour to your body shape, and the reason these two mattresses were very popular was because of the superior comfort and physical support that they provided. However, latex was slightly more expensive, probably because my understanding was maybe because it's natural, chemical free, and hence it was more expensive. What I decided to do at that point was I decided to buy one latex and one memory foam mattress. It's been about 6 to 8 months now, and I'll share my experience of using both the mattresses. If I have to rate these mattresses on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, on say in terms of comfort, if memory foam is somewhere around 7, 7.5, latex is around 8, 8.5. If I have to rate it in terms of the support it provides to your spine, if memory foam is somewhere around 6.5, 7, then latex is somewhere around 8, 8.5. If I have to talk in terms of responsiveness to taking your body shape, responsiveness to releasing the shape, the springiness, if memory foam is somewhere around 6.57, then latex is somewhere around 8.59. So what I'm trying to say is that I've realized latex fares much better than memory foam in all the department. In fact, latex also lets air circulate, and that's why latex mattresses are more cooler, whereas memory foam tends to get heated up. Probably that's the reason why memory foam also does not last as long as a latex mattress. In fact, what I've noticed is the memory foam mattress that I've been using, if I compare it to what it was the day I bought it, in terms of the thickness, the flatness, it's maybe 90% of what it was, whereas the latex one is still the same as the day I had bought it. What I would caution is that you should check for genuine latex certifications, Oikotech and Eco Institute. I bought my latex mattress from Morning All, and what I realized is Morning All offers 100% pure latex mattress. In fact, back then I had inquired a couple of other latex players about Eco Institute certifications that they had displayed, and when they gave me the certifications, they were expired, and I felt cheated as a customer because their websites did display a lot of these certifications. So I was much more happier with respect to Morning All, their product, their customer service. In fact, they even offered, I think, 100 nights trial, and that kind of made me comfortable with buying a slightly more expensive product, because I knew I could return it if it wasn't up to what they were pitching on their website. So now 6 to 8 months down the line, when I look at both the mattresses, I feel that I should have bought latex. Both the mattresses should have been latex. So even though latex is slightly more expensive, it's a better investment in the longer run. And what I've started realizing in the past few months is my lifestyle is gravitating more towards eating and consuming or experiencing natural products rather than using chemical ones. So yeah, latex is a good choice. Morning All offers good mattresses. I bought their 8-inch luxurious latex mattress or something they call. It's really nice. It's a much better experience than your average memory foam. That's what I would recommend. Try one of their mattresses.